हेलो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप लोग। उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब अच्छे होंगे। चैप्टर नंबर 72, होम कमिंग, फ्रॉम द बुक थीफ, रिटन बाय मार्कस ज़्यूज़ेक। It was a time of bleeders and broken planes and teddy bears, but the first quarter of 1943 was to finish on a positive note for the book thief. At the beginning of April, Hans Huberman Plaster was trimmed to the knee and he boarded a train for Munich. He would be given a week of rest and recreation at home before joining the ranks of army pen pushers in the city. He would help with the paperwork on the clean up of Munich factories, houses, churches, and hospitals. Time would tell if he would be sent out to do the repair work. That all depended on his leg and the state of the city. It was dark when he arrived home. It was a day later than expected. As the train was delayed due to an air raid scare, he stood at the door of 33 Himmel Street and made a fist. 4 years earlier, Liesl Meminger was coaxed through that doorway. When she showed up for the first time, Max Vanderberg had stood there with a key biting into his hand. Now it was Hans Huberman's turn. He knocked for 4 times, and the book thief answered, "Papa, Papa." She must have said it 100 times that she hugged him in the kitchen and wouldn't let go. Later, after they ate, they sat at the kitchen table long into the night, and Hans told his wife and Liesl Meminger everything. He explained the LSE and the smoke-filled streets and the poor lost wandered souls. And Reinhold Zucker, poor stupid Reinhold Zucker, it took a worse. At 1 a.m., Liesl went to bed and Papa came in to sit with her like he used to. She woke up several times to check that he was there, and he did not fail her. The night was calm. Her bed was warm and soft with contentment. Yes, it was a great night to be Liesl Meminger, and the calm, the warm and the soft will remain for approximately 3 more months, but his story lasts for 6. यहाँ पे होता है हमारा चैप्टर नंबर 72 खत्म। मिलेंगे हम नेक्स्ट पार्ट में, पार्ट 10, द बुक थीफ, फीचरिंग द एंड ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, द 98th डे, अ वार मेकर, a way of words, a catatonic girl, confessions, Ilsa Herman's little black book, some ribcage planes, and burning snowflakes, and burning snowflakes. Chapter number 73, the end of the world, from the book Thief. Bye for now.